In this guide here, I'm going to show you how to set up the SkullCandy wireless earbuds, the SkullCandy Sesh, with a Windows 10 laptop. Okay, so this is a Dell Windows 10 laptop, and if you have a Windows 10 laptop that's a HP, Toshiba, or any other brand, this should work. So for the SkullCandy Sesh earbuds, of course, be sure they have some battery life in them, and on top of that, make sure that they are not already connected to another device, because this is going to cause some conflict. So now we're going to remove them out of the case, and the first thing you want to do is turn them off, because sometimes they may not enter into pairing mode. So I'm going to show you how to get it into pairing mode manually. So just have them side by side like this, and you're going to press down on the physical buttons on each earbud. So each earbud has a physical button. You're going to hold down on both of them. Hold down until they light up in red one time. Okay, so they both must light up in red. So hold it until they light up like that. Okay, now let it go, and then you'll go back and press down on the both earbuds together at the same time until one of them enters into the pairing mode, which is the blue-red light. So hold it until you see this right here. So once you see that, let it go. And this means that one of them has entered as the host earbud and the other one is in sync with the host earbud. So with all that said and done, let's go ahead now and dive into the main settings of your Windows 10 laptop. So go to settings. And as you enter into settings, you will see this window here that looks like that. And you'll go to where it says devices right there. So go to devices here, click on that. And now you'll see where it has the Bluetooth on and off switch right there. So you should be in a window that looks like this. You'll see the on and off switch. Click on that one time. It's going to turn on. And next up to the very top, you'll see add Bluetooth device option. Click on that one time. And when you do that, you'll see this black window shows up. You'll click on the first option, Bluetooth. And as you do that, it will start searching for nearby devices. Then you should see the Sesh wireless earbuds show up here, and you're going to click on that only one time. And as you do that, for some of us, you may see a message that pops up to the bottom right of your screen saying that we're setting up your device. So you can wait for that. And if it doesn't show up, like say within the next 20 to 30 seconds, then it's running the process in the background, but you have nothing to worry about, that it will be connected. All right. Now, I'll show you something here in a moment, that if you have already connected your wireless earbuds and it's not in sync, you'll notice maybe one of them may be lit in blue like that. You'll just simply hold it down for about a second or two until it makes a tone sound. You can put it in your ears until it makes a tone sound, and then it will let you know that it's connected to the other earbud. All right. Now, to see if the audio is coming out, you can click on the volume icon to the bottom right. Click right there, and you'll see this pop-up menu that's going to show up and gives you the option to toggle between having the audio come out from the laptop speaker or the Sesh earbuds. And if that doesn't work for you, you can type right there in the search bar, type in the two words sound settings. So go ahead and type that in. And when you see sound settings, click on it. And then you'll be taken to the output and the input area. The output lets you to choose whether the sound comes out from the earbuds or the computer's laptop. And if you go down just a little bit, you'll see where it says input, where you can choose to have the Sesh mic work or use the laptop's mic. Okay, and of course, the mic will work, but not for every program. And if you were wondering about Microsoft Teams, which I did use it before, it's really not the best experience, but it still does work. All right. And then you can adjust the volume here and play with it to see if the sound is coming out from both earbuds. And again, if it's only coming out from one, which was the host earbud, go ahead and long press the other earbud. Make sure it turns off and then turn it back on again, and it should automatically reconnect to the host earbud, and you should have sound coming out from both earbuds. And of course, as always, if this guide was helpful, do hit that like, share, subscribe, turn on notifications if you're new to my channel, and thanks for watching.